Hello everyone. Welcome to Indian share market and stock analysis for 5th January 2024. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel Share Market C2C to get our regular updates. Let's get into the video. This is our agenda for discussion today. So let's discuss about the Indian market and open closure data. Today Nifty opened higher more than the GIFT Nifty was indicating. So GIFT Nifty was indicating almost a flat start. However, our market opened with around 47 points higher in Nifty, and also the same with Bank Nifty with 50-60 points up. However, there was more volatility within the small range of 120 points swing in Nifty. So as you know, today is Friday and people are don't want to carry big positions, or whoever already in a good profit, they want to book profits. So that's why we can see a small range bound, and that too volatile. Bank Nifty almost like nowadays swinging to 500 points as a default. Traders or option traders will be very difficult if it is moving like this up down. Bank Nifty is moving like a crazy, like a bouncing ball, we can say. However, today the market ended almost seems to be with only 0.24 percentage higher in Nifty, and Bank Nifty again it entered once again in the red. Before yesterday it was ended same flat in a negative bias. Yesterday it was positive for 1%. Today it's again with negative bias it's entered. We can see today the HDFC Bank, it opened up well. Today it moved higher. We can see the higher for the up movement was there. Then HDFC Bank sinks down nearly from its today all-time today's high. It down almost 2%. So the Bank Nifty also come down, and Nifty also came down. Main contribution for the Nifty downfall is today is HDFC Bank, we say. And IT sectors performed well today after the recent fall. Yesterday also they did good. So IT sectors we can start expecting from the Infosys TCS results. Then it can be a good trend we can see in the IT. So European markets traded in negative bias. It opened negative, and so far they are trading in negative. US market yesterday, the jobs data we will be seeing in the next. It was decent. So US market also ended flat with negative bias yesterday. We can see today how the US markets open. We can see a trend. So coming to a global market key news, as we said, we are expecting for the expected jobs data of US market is been released. So it was good, and it seems to be the unemployed data is much lower than for last two months. So that is positive, and they are expecting some clues of rate cut interest. So that will be adding if the unemployment level goes down, that will be positive for the global hint. Coming to UK, there is a news that mortgage rates are falling as markets anticipating that Bank of England, they will be cutting the rate interest in the middle of the year. So that's expecting overall in a global cues the interest rate cut. That's about global market key news. Let's go into Indian market key news. So cabinet approves MOU with the US agency for a greener railways, which is that green energy that is being diversified into all the sectors, and now the Indian government, they are going to have a tie-up with the US agencies to develop public transporting for the railways. Road Ministry says that they are confident on achieving 13,800 kilometer highways targeting in financial year 2024. So they have indicated the companies whom they are involving in this business to be kept ready with their detailed project reports, so to award for the business in 2023 and 2024 business plan. So Union Budget 2024, Ms. Sita Raman is Nirmala to present budget for the sixth consecutive year on February 1st. So this budget is going to be an interim budget. As you know that we are having a election in the middle of this year, like a May. So that's why they are not going to have a full year budget plan. So they will be having interim budget. So if their ruling party is going to come again, so that will be changed to a full year later. GAIL signs 10-year deal with Vital for LNG supplied liquid natural gas supply. That initially that stock was trading in flat, however it ended in negative bias. India's GDP may touch 8% by end of 2024, says by JLL India report. They are expecting if the real estate been doing well, then it is much possible in this case. Switzerland Energy have a news that it raises 2% on bagging 225 megawatts wind energy project from Everrenew Energy. So it was trading at the range, today it closed at 40.60. I'm having some stocks at the range of 42 rupees. However, it's getting consolidated. I have faith on this stock. It will move forward after the consolidation. Sri Siemens, it synced today 4.71% after having a news that they had a tax order of 4,000 crores, which they had a wrong claims from the year of 2014 to 2023 March. So which is a big impact for this stock, which sinks today for more than 4%. Some more news. KPI Energy shares gains on bagging 3 megawatt solar power projects. So currently it is trading at it closed at 1423.45. It was up by 1.42%. HDFC Bank Q3 update. There was they are having their advances grow by 62.4%. Their retail loan also, it seems to be growing, but however these all expected maybe from the insiders, so they are making the opposite way today, booking the profit for them. The stock came down. So the next is about Waaree Renewables just today to 10% upper circuit. Then at the end it was closed at 9.41%, as they announced that they are going to have a stock split on January 20th. So if you anyone holding these stocks, please be aware of if you want to increase your stakes or to add on it. So Power Finance shares up early today. They are going to have a borrowing program for 1 lakh crore. Earlier they have mentioned that they are going to have 80,000 crore, but they increased the budget of raising of 1 lakh crore. At the end it was down by 0.4%, closed at 404. Kalyan Jewellers stocks today more than 2.2%, expecting that is a good revenue growth in financial year 2024 Q3. However, at the end it was down by 1.66%. Again, seems to be a profit booking on this stock. Lupin hits 52 weeks high. Then it was down by 0.68% while closing at the rate of 138945, as they get a tentative US FDA note to diabetic drugs. Some more news. ICICI Bank reduces benefits of 21 credit cards, imposes minimum card usage on airport lounges. So which is cutting benefits of their customers. It's not good news. However, today ICICI Bank reacted positive on further the quarterly results may be positive for them. RBL Bank gains 2% and it was up by only 0.45% while closing at 287.30, as their gross advances grow by 20% and deposits grow by 13% in Q3. So they'll be expecting a good quarterly results for this quarter. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders NLC IRFC gains as the government notified that the 10% stake disinvestment plan by March 31. So they are already been done with the 10,000 crores. So still 50 in the 51,000 crore disinvestment plan as in the budget. So these stocks will be having benefit of it. Grasim Industries board approves 4,000 crore right issues. Stocks fails to hold the opening momentum, which reached to 2099. Then from there it falls, so it ended positive with almost like a 0.5 percentage. So if there is a right issue, maybe I will consider of buying some stocks. Earlier I have booked profit at the range of 2020. Then I will be buying stocks if it is below 2000. HIL on course to re-rate, like Bell says by the rating company UBS. They set the target of 3600. Currently it's trading at 2998. Still this stock is overvalued and high priced among the PSU stocks. So I trying to catch this stock around 2500, but I couldn't. But I am waiting for the right time to enter on this stock. They already have a book orders of 80,000 crores for financial year 2023. So the UBS is expecting that it will be tripled to 2.4 lakh crores in financial year 2026. That will be a good for this stock. It has still more potential to go up. So Q3 results expectation for Soba, it's they are expecting a good Q3 result for this. They are expecting a revenue of 1,952 crores, up by 37% year on year. However, the stock failed and it dipped to 4% down for a record profit booking on this stock. So 1269 it ended on this stock. So as what I generally want to say, people whoever want to bet on the stocks based on the quarterly results, please you have to be in mind, some people, some of the stocks will be already factor in, and some of the big shots know that quarterly result is going to positive. This stock may be already performed. After that, the people expecting the good news, then they are entering in. That time the profit booking, the big investors will do in the opposite way. So where the retailers will be getting trapped. So always be very aware when you are investing during the quarterly results outing period of buying the stocks. So it's not a right way. Always you have to use your fundamental and the right pricing. Don't buy the stocks based on the quarterly results. You have to wait for the dip for any stock that you want to buy. So technical call is for a Canara Bank. So it's forming a classic uptrend, which you can see currently it's trading at the range of 465. Today it closed at 461.95. This is also a very good stock. It given a return. It was trading almost in the range of 200 2 years before. Now it's doubled almost. This stock still have potential. So a short-term call recommended by Money Control. They're saying the target for 500 to 525 with a stop loss of 440 for the January series. We have some stock recommendations from brokerages. So MK Global Financial is bearish on Gujarat fluorochemicals. They set a target of 2800. Currently it's trading at 3625, which is today alone the stock have down by 5% from its all-time high. Dabur India, MK Global Financial is bullish on it. So they are currently trading at 569. They set a target of 650. Global Health, Motilal Oswal is bullish on this stock, currently trading at 1001. They set a target of 1170. IIFL Finance, Motilal Oswal is bullish on this stock. So they set a target of 800. Currently the stock is trading at 641 level. For Axis Bank, Sharekhan is bullish. They set a target of 1350. Currently trading at 1136.95. So that's about the stock recommendations. Before doing any investment, please do your own analysis as well. So gold and oil prices today, the oil prices seems to be a bit flatting. So we can see the oil, it is traded at 72.73 range, which was higher from it was moving up from the 70s level. So we can expect from 67 to 80 is the range for the crude for this month. And for gold, it was down for today. We can see 0.36% it is down, and the dollar index it was up. It is ended with 102.79, and USD to INR it down by 0.07 paisa and ended with 83.16. And there is an IPO today, a massive bumper debut for KC Energy and Infrastock. It gave a return of 366% premium. That was an excellent return. It opened up at 252 rupees against the IPO issue price of 54, and then at the end it's closed at 239.40. This is a very good bumper for the whoever got IPO. Congratulations. So always be aware, don't hurry whenever the IPO gave the good premium. So there will be always profit booking. You will have a fine time, right time to enter on any stocks which is coming in IPO. Thank you. I hope this informations are beneficial for you. If this video is beneficial, please like the video, subscribe to our network, press bell notification. Thank you. Stay safe, investor.